Elf on the Shelf Meebles brought us a whole bunch of pop pets. Look. So what you do, you pop them and they're slime, and some of them have toys inside. Here is all the little toys to collect. They are so cute and they're so much fun to pop. And it says that there's 60 pets to collect. Okay, should we get popping? Let's get started. So here is this. This is a big line. Oh boy, this is going to get interesting. Okay, so here is one of the poppets, and then you squeeze it. Goes pop. Let's see. This one just had slime in it. There was no pets. So sometimes you get lucky, and if you're not lucky, you at least get some slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the slime aside and save for later. Okay. There are some super rare, some special edition, some rare, and some common. So I am excited to see which ones we get. Okay. Just shake them all out. Shake them all out. Okay. Okay, let's pop it. See if we get one. Oh, I feel one. Okay. Oh, look, it's a little puppy. It's so cute. And it's fun because you can just go ahead and collect them all. Okay. Let's see which other ones we get. Ooh. Okay, so this one was just some pink slime. Oh yeah, save this stuff for later. Okay. Some more pink slime. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so here's another one. Oh, there's one in here. Let's see which one we have. Oh, look. It's a pink little kitty cat. Ooh, that's a little cute little hat too. Boy, I love that. Okay. Let's pop this one. Comment down below which one is your favorite of these characters so far. Oh, look. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, and they're so squishy. These are just the cutest little things ever. Okay, pop pets. Oh, here's another one. Okay, let's see which one we have. Oh, it's a little kitty cat. She's so adorable. Okay, let's see, okay. We need to pull some more out. Okay, so we have one, whole bunch more. I think about 6 more left in this pack, and then we have even more to open. Boy, this is exciting. Okay. Pop. Oh. That one's some fun slime. It's gonna be so exciting to save up all the slime and have fun with it. Oh, some more slime. Then I have the purple slime in a separate pile to save. Oh, but this one has one inside. Let's see which one it is. Oh, that is so cute. Is that like a little birdie? I think it's a little birdie, I'm not sure. So cute though. Okay, here's the pink one. Ooh. pink slime in there. Ooh, okay. Let's see which one this is. Oh, I see a star. Oh, glittery. Oh, it's a mermaid. Oh my. This might be one of the rare ones. Let's take a look. Okay. Let's see. Let's look together for this. No. I wonder. Oh, look. It is. It's Mersloth. She is super rare. Oh, that's so exciting. I really like that one. Okay. Now let's open up a whole bunch more. Okay. Boop. 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 And boop. Okay. Let's see which ones we have. Woo! That scared me. Did that scare you? Purple. Some more purple slime. Look at all this slime we're collecting. This is so exciting. Okay, let's see which one we have. Oh, it kind of looks like a little piggy with a camera. How cute. Just too cute. Okay. Oh, more slippity slime. Okay, there's one in here. Oh, it looks like a kitty cat. Let's see. I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe kind of like a fishy, but I don't know. But it's super duper cute. Okay, now let's see what else. We have 12 more inside this. Boy, this is super duper exciting. So we can pop 'ems. Okay, let's get going. Ooh, there's a lot of purple slime there. Comment down below, what is your favorite thing to do with your slime? Woo! Okay. Oh, okay, look. It's a little kitty cat and he has a silver outfit. Oh, wow, that is so unique. Okay. Oh, that popped over here. Okay. Oh, look, we got another one of these. Oh, how cute, twinsies. Oh, okay, so that is slime. And I think this is water slime. Comment down below if I'm right, if this is water slime or not. I know you guys are the slime experts, not me. There's some more purple slime. Okay. Ooh, let's see which one this is. Oh my, I love it. It's so cute. It's like a little ice cream cone with 2 scoops and 2 cherries on top and a little winky face. I just can't believe all this slime we're collecting. This is so exciting. Okay, more slime. He's wearing some sunglasses. He's ready for summertime. Oh, look how cute. Its little tail. Oh, what a little cutie. Okay. Now let's open up the 6-pack, and they're also available in a 12-pack, which is so exciting. So in the 6-pack, it says there's 60 pets to collect. You find the 2 surprise pets. So you open up 6 of these. There's 2 of them that have pets in them. Okay, let's do them. Let's see. Okay. So this one has a pet in it. Oh, this one's so cute. I think this one's my favorite. It's like a little piggy inside of a teacup. How cute is that? Wow. Okay. Let's pop this one open. Whoa, so much more slime. Okay. Let's see if this has a pet inside or if it's slime. Oh, it's just slime. Lots and lots of slime. Okay, let's see if this one has a pet inside. Oh, more slime. Woo! I mean, can you believe how much slime is in all this? This is just so exciting. See if the pet's in this one. Slime. That means the 6th one definitely has a pet inside. Let's see what pet's inside. Oh, look, that one has a little lid. That's interesting. Ooh, okay. Let's see which one it is. Ooh. It's so cute. Look at those little spikes. I'm guessing it's a rare one only for the fact that it's like so unique and cute, but I don't know that. So let's take a look on the piece of paper and find them. Is that them? It looks so similar. Does not look similar, but it's not the same one because it's different color spikes. It's not over here. Okay, maybe he is. I'm just not seeing him. Maybe this definitely, I think that is him, the dragon llama, and it says silver, and silver means rare. He's rare! How exciting is that? Oh dear, Meebles. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, I have to put some cinnamon on Meebles. This is the 12-pack. Find 4 surprise pets inside. Okay. So let's see which 4 we get in here. Here is some slime. Okay. This is just so exciting because you never know if you're gonna pop a pet out or just some slime. Oh, I feel one. Okay, so this is one of the 4 pets that comes in it. Let's see which one we have. I can't believe it. It's another ultra rare mermaid. Twins, how exciting is that? Okay, let's pop this one. Woo. Okay, so we have 3 more to find. Oh, here's a pet. There's a pet in here. This is so exciting. Okay, let's see which one it is. Look how cute he is. He has a little white hat and it looks like he's on a magic carpet ride. Wow, how exciting. There's 2 more pets to find now. Woo, that was a loud one. Oh, purple slime. Okay, looks like there's a pet in there. Actually, I'm gonna save this one. Save it till the end. Save it till the end. Okay, this one is more slime. Okay, there's 2 more in here, and then we can open up that. Okay. Woo! Woo! Okay, now let's see. We have 2 more left. Let's see which ones we get. Look, he's all ready for bed in his little nightcap. Oh, that is so cute. Last but not least, look, it's like he's on a little ducky inner tube. Wow. Okay, let's see all the slime that I collected from these 2. I have all of this pink slime. That's a huge chunk. And then here is all the purple slime. Woo! Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Sprella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. And you can check out the link below in case you want to know where you can buy Pop Pets. Here's all the Pop Pets I got. Thanks so much for watching.